Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Trello to Dropbox step by step clearly. To connect Trello to Dropbox, begin by logging into your Trello account. Open the board where you want to integrate Dropbox. Click on the Show menu button on the right side of the board. Select Power UPS from the menu options. In the Power UPS directory, search for Dropbox. Once you find the Dropbox power-up, click on the Add button. You may be prompted to authorize the integration with Dropbox. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Trello access to your Dropbox account. Once authorized, you will see a confirmation message. Now, return to your Trello board. To attach a Dropbox file to a card, open the desired card. Look for the Attach a File option within the card details. Select Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Choose Dropbox from the available options. You'll see your Dropbox files listed. Select the file you want to attach. Click on the Attach button to complete the process. Your Dropbox file is now attached to the Trello card. You can manage your Dropbox files directly from Trello. Feel free to repeat this process for other cards as needed. This integration will help streamline your workflow between Trello and Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.